In this video, we'll show you how to set up AI human and vehicle detection. First, go to Remote Setting and find the device. We want pedestrian and vehicle under AI setting. Only one detection method can be active at any given time. So if you cannot click on the Enable box, you will need to turn off SMD first. To turn off SMD, you will need to go back to Channel. Under Channel, you have to click on Motion and Channel 2. You have to disable Channel 2. Make sure you save it. Now go back to AI, Pedestrian Vehicle, Channel 2. Now you can enable the setting. There are 3 snapshot modes: the default, real-time mode, interval mode. The default mode automatically picks the most suitable image as a snapshot for the detection event. Real-time mode sets the snapshot as soon as the detection is triggered. Interval mode allows you to customize the number of snapshots taken and how many shots per second at a fixed interval. Minimum pixel sets the smallest size an object can be in order to trigger the detection, while maximum pixel sets the largest size. This is to eliminate situation where the target is either too far or too close to the camera and not actually in the intended area. The pedestrian, usually it is a person, or it could be a robot or human-shaped entity. Motor vehicle target could be something like car, a truck, or a van. And a bike could be categorized as a non-motorized vehicle. There are 2 detection modes, motion and the static mode. A static mode detects stationary objects, while the motion mode detects only moving objects. Now, the detection range is full screen and customized. If you click on Customize under Rules, you're able to set up the detection grid. In this case, we want to set up the detection grid when the person entered the door. Now everything's set up. Make sure you hit on Save. Channel 2 is fully set up for pedestrian and vehicle. Now we're going into the schedule. First, we have to enable Channel 2 schedule under pedestrian and vehicle. In this case, let's say we want to only set up the detection before 6 a.m. and after 6 p.m. So in this case, we have to go down and then disable any time between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Once you're done, you can simply save. Thank you for watching the CT Vision YouTube channel. Have a nice day.